Email marketing, how to squeeze all you can out of it. Many businesses are quickly discovering that email marketing can be a vital part of their business. Emails can be a great way to keep in touch with customers, to offer them deals that will interest them and to invite them to special sales. The information and tips in this article can help you see all that email marketing has to offer your business. Building a mailing list for your email marketing campaign can be difficult. It is often easiest to target friends, family, and current customers to establish a targeted mailing list. Often email lists grow because customers forward the emails to their friends. So let your customers help your list grow. Don't forget to include a subscribe link in the email so that interested parties can sign up with minimal trouble. Be persistent. Studies show that it takes a minimum of 7 to 8 impressions before your advertisements will take effect on a potential customer, and it could take many more. You need to touch base with your customers at least once every few weeks, and assume they will not buy your product or even click your links for several iterations of messages. Take timing into consideration as to when your messages are sent. Try and time your messages for when readers are likely to be reading. For consumers, this is probably evenings and weekends. For business clientele, weekday mornings are more ideal. Emails sent in off hours can get buried further down in inboxes than will likely get attention if someone is deleting a bunch of messages at once. Show your subscribers respect by not sending them tons of unwanted emails. 2 or 3 email messages a month should be all that they receive from you. If you are flooding their email boxes, not only it will not be appreciated, but it will be highly unlikely they will buy anything that you are selling. Create familiarity with your email messages. Use your logo or come up with a specific style whenever you send out emails to your subscribers. This reassures them that the email is from your company and they will look forward to reading it. If you vary your messages, your consumers might get confused when they open it up. Emphasize the benefits of your product or service whenever possible. Subscribers will want to know what's in it for them, so tell them in the subject line, in your links, and in your content. Your subscribers will be much more interested in your message if they feel that it can help them in some way. Give your customers the option to read your emails in a text-only format. Many people may not have the ability to view images that are embedded into the email. Some images are even blocked by servers before they reach the customer. If you create a text option, they will not be excluded from enjoying the benefits of your email marketing campaign. It is a well-known fact that the use of the internet has opened up an entirely new way for businesses to interact with customers. Email marketing is one of the most effective ways to keep in touch with loyal customers and to reach potential customers. Use the techniques and tips from the article above to create an email marketing strategy for your business. We also recommend you check out this free offer, the 5-Minute Profit Sites. Click the link below this video in the description box today for more details.